Amazon just removed the buy box gate. There's no line to pass anymore. The gate is gone. On July 6th, 2026, Amazon confirmed sellers no longer need to clear a separate performance check to compete for the buy box. Order defect rate, chargebacks, and voice of the customer complaints used to be a pass/fail filter before ranking even started. Now they're folded directly into the ranking score itself, alongside price and delivery speed. No more line to clear. Under the old system, sellers could manage toward a known threshold, even an unofficial one. Under the new blended score, there's no published formula. No way to know how much any one metric actually counts. A seller can no longer say, my ODR is under 1%, I'm safe, the way they used to. It's already starting. EU and UK stores go live July 20th, 2026. US and remaining global stores roll out gradually through the end of 2026. There's no individual notification when it reaches your specific account. Keep every metric clean, not just the ones you used to watch. The old strategy of hitting a known number and coasting no longer applies. Since the exact weighting isn't public, the only safe posture is keeping ODR, chargebacks, and VOC complaints clean at all times. Check your current buy box win percentage now, so you have a real baseline before the rollout reaches you.